My dear kids, Assalamu alaikum. Tell me, when someone asks you to write about yourself, what do you usually write about? If you don't know, then come with me. Today we will learn how to write about myself. Paragraph writing. You know, a group of sentences is called a paragraph. When someone asks me to write about myself, the first thing I think about is me. Now, the things which I want you to know about myself is my name, my age, where I live, my family, my best friend, or my favorite things. You know what, guys? I have a lovely friend. Come on, let's come and meet my friend. Hi, friend. My name is Soso. I am 6 years old. I have four members in my family: my dad, mom, brother, and me. Daddy is a chef and mom is a gardener. She loves roses. Boo Boo is my best friend. My favorite food is pizza. My hobbies are dancing and painting. I love my family. And that's all about me.